Welcome home to 1085 Willow Circle. This beautiful all-brick 4-bed, 2.5-bath home is located in the desirable Sango area. A covered entrance welcomes you home. Into the open concept plan, with hand-scraped hardwood flooring on the main level. The windows in the formal dining room allow for plenty of natural light. Here is another view of the dining room showing the open concept. The floor plan seamlessly flows into the large great room. This beautiful fireplace separates the formal dining and great rooms. Here is another view looking to the kitchen. This home offers a very spacious kitchen, with all stainless steel appliances that will convey. It also has granite countertops and an abundance of cabinet space. The breakfast nook shares a view of the backyard and leads to this covered patio that is great for entertaining. The utility room is on the main level and has additional cabinetry for storage. There is also a convenient powder room on the main level for guests. The primary bedroom gets plenty of natural light, and it is also on the main level of the home. The huge primary bath has double vanities, a separate jetted tub, and a tile shower. Upstairs you will find a useful built-in desk, perfect for homework. This extra space would make a perfect reading corner. There are 3 additional spacious bedrooms upstairs.